what you're going to do. What's the first method to solve this problem? Now here, let's square both sides. Because you know why? The index of this is exactly 2. So we have to square both sides. And this will be eliminated when we are squaring both sides. Then we have left only x root of 729. That's going to be 3 square. Then if we just if you just take x both sides, that is gonna be this one, and x will be cancelled by this, and you know, because this is x is simply a natural number, is that this is greater or equal to 1. So if it is a natural number, we can take both sides this way, and that is gonna be 729, is that, which is immediately 3 raised to x. Then how we are going to find the value for this problem in general? And what this mean in general? You know, this is 9 cube. 9 cube means 9 squared whole cube, which is going to be 3 raised 6, which is exactly 2 raised x. Since two exponentials are the same, that means if they have the same basis, so you can take eliminating the same way. Now we can just take simply 6, which is equal to 2x. Now this is gonna be x is exactly 3. So this is the value for x for the first problem. You can solve this problem in the form of this way. For the next problem, let me show you how we just do this problem. How we are going to solve this one. Let's come back to the second problem. That means how we do x squared, which is equal to 27 divided by 1 minus 3 in general. So whenever you have given this problem, how we are going to solve this question in general? So in order to find the solution of this problem, you have to remember that is PEMDAS or body mass. Is that? I have already explained how we are going to solve such a problem in our previous video. Is that? You can look how we do this problem based on our previous video. Is that? How we do this one? In order to find the value for the variable, first we need to do these brackets first. Now this is going to be 27. Well, wait. I see, look, in our previous video, I have already shown many common mistakes. Those many people have made a mistake. Is that? So now today, let me directly solve this problem. One time this is exactly, that's will be 3. So x squared is going to be 9. This divided by this one. Then x will be plus or minus 3. And x will be either 3 or x is negative 3. That. So whenever you do this problem, whenever you want to solve this problem, don't just do this problem first of all. That. You have to do always before this of mean indices, exponents, or that is between this. If there is no a symbol of the mathematical operation, you have to operate this first. And now this is the value for the second problem. So let's see how we are going to solve the third problem. Similarly, how we do this third problem, how we are going to solve this one. I think you can use that is PEMDAS. PEMDAS means if there is a parenthesis, first we have to do the parenthesis, then we have to use exponent. Is that? Parenthesis. PEMDAS means parenthesis, then exponent, then that is multiplication, division, something like that. So from here, what you're going to do? 2 raised 3 divided by, first we have to multiply this formula. That is 16 times. First we need to just do this formula. How we are going to do this one? You know, here there is 2 raised 4 into this one. Is that? So how we are going to do this formula? Now, when we are doing this formula, we have this way. Now, this is 2 raised 4 times 8. Is that? 8. So we have to first multiply with this one. Let's do this first of all. 2 raised 3 divided by, which is 128. And this divided by 8 divided by 128 is going to be 1 over 16. So this is the way how we are going to solve this problem, is that? So first you have to know how a body mass or PEM does in general, well, practicable, is that? So this is the way how to do this formula. And when you come to the last case, how we are going to do this formula? What will be the last formula? Now look at this one. 2 plus 3, 10. 8 plus 4, 9, 6. 7 plus 2 is 63. 6 plus 5 is this one. 9 plus 5 will be how? How we are going to do? Look how we do this formula. This is an important matter or game. So in order to find the solution of this formula, first of all you have to know, you have to see the relation between these on the right side and on the left side. Is that? On the left side there is a sum of two numbers, on the right side there is a unique number. Is that? Unique number. So 2 plus 5 will be what? 2 plus 3 will be 5. When you multiply 5 with these, you can have this one. That means 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 times these will be 10. This plus these 12 times 8, 96. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 times this will be this one. So from here you can understand that 2 plus 3, which is, that is 5 times, now we have to multiply this one, that is 10. 8 plus 4 means that is 12 times, you have to multiply with this one, which is going to be 96. 7 plus 2 means, you know this is 9. 9 times the first number, that is going to be what? 63. Then 6 plus 5, which is exactly 11. 11 times the first number, which is 66. Then what will be 9 plus 5? Then 9 plus 5 mean what? 9 plus 5 is going to be 1/4. 1/4 times this will be, that mean how much? So this is exactly 1/4 times 9 is exactly, which is 6, and there 3, 126. See that? This is the way how we are going to find especially such kind of problem in general. So today, thank you for today. Now, thank you for watching Ethiopian 116. Have a nice day. If you are a new member of my YouTube channel, please try to share, like, and subscribe Ethiopian 116.